So now we're gonna get a little bit fancy. In a cast iron pan, cook off some veal chops. I got a beautiful veal chop here. Nice long bone, tied up perfectly. Got a nice amount of fat and marble in there so we get some flavor. We're gonna season this pretty heavily, and this dish is gonna be called Veal Chop Alla Tartufo, which means it's served with a truffle mushroom sauce. That sauce consists of mushrooms, garlic, shallot, veal stock, a little white wine, a touch of cream, and of course, we use the Urbani white truffle oil to finish, along with some fresh chopped parsley. Let's get started. First step is we're gonna season our veal chop liberally with salt and pepper on both sides. And then we're gonna go to the cast iron pan and we're gonna sear it. You're gonna sear the veal chop 4 minutes on each side. We're gonna baste it in the pan with some rosemary, some garlic, and some butter. I like to bring it to like a perfect medium. Not medium rare, not medium well, medium. Okay, so while the veal chop's going, we're gonna get our tartufo sauce going. Some olive oil, garlic, shallot, salt, pepper. Let's check on our veal chop real quick. As you see, we're gonna start to build some color and some flavor. All right, move it around so it gets a nice even sear. So to all my loyal fans, to all the followers, to everybody who watches all the videos, you know what time it is. What do we always do?
Brown the garlic.
That's right, folks. Great crowd here at Arthur & Sons. Okay, so our garlic is browned. We're gonna hit it with some white wine. Reduce, let the alcohol burn off. I'm gonna cook some mushrooms in there. Mushrooms are cooked through, and add a little bit of cream. Ooh. Wow. That is good. Okay, so veal chop has a nice golden brown crust on the outside. I'm gonna add some butter to the pan, some rosemary, and a little bit of garlic. Move that around a little bit. All right, so now we're gonna baste the veal chop to help kind of infuse all that flavor, round out that crust, and make it absolutely beautiful, perfect, delicious, unbelievable. So we've got our veal chop resting in the pan. We're gonna add some butter to our tartufo sauce, some fresh chopped parsley, and a little bit of white truffle oil. Not too shabby. Veal chop.